gonna be hard to get along without them.
Yeah.
We'll try, though. Best smell I've ever smelled. Horse.
CJ and Cody will be here soon to help us groom the rest of the horses.
Great. Nitro needs his mane pulled and Macho rolled in the mud again. He's gonna need a bath and... I don't guess all this matters very much, does it? Because... Oh, Logan, I can't bear it. I really can't. I could deal with losing the ranch, but the horses... I failed them.
No, you haven't. You're not made of money, Carmen. You've given these horses a wonderful home, terrific care, and you're forgetting one very important thing. It's not over yet. I'm still hoping my ex-business partner will come through with a loan for me. We've got to stay positive, okay?
I know. I know, you're right.
Okay.
Hi.
Hey, guys.
Hey!
Thanks for coming out.
Hey,
Ah, this is beautiful.
it's great, huh?
How you doing?
Gorgeous.
Good to see you.
Wow.
Jesse, I thought you had a recording session.
Well, I did, but I managed to postpone it so I could come visit your ranch.
Well, I'm only sorry you had to see it under these circumstances.
Yeah, me too.
What a beautiful horse.
Oh, that's Cody. Would you like to ride it?
I'd love to. I haven't ridden since I was 8, though.
You'll be all right.
Hey.
Come on, we'll get him tacked up. And Cody, you're gonna love Macho.
All right.
After we get him groomed up a little.
Okay.
We'll go up to the cooler and get some grapes. That's his favorite treat.
What do you say, Jesse? One last ride with us?
I wouldn't miss it.
Okay, come on.
Tell you what, you go ahead. I'll catch up with you.
Okay.
Jessie Lee Harris.
Hey, it's Joe. I'm finishing up the schedule now.
Yeah?
Roger's a bit tied up.
Well, look, get back to me as soon as possible because we only got until Monday.
I'll do it, Jess.
I'll think of something, fellas. Voice of the voiceless, the cry of the meek, hope for salvation, a voice that could not speak, price of the heartless, oh, the innocent will pay. Oh, isn't that the way it goes in this world today? In the darkness, there's still a ray of light. There's a chance, there's hope to see what's wrong and do what's right. One last chance before tomorrow. Just hoping for that one last chance before the setting of the sun. One last chance before tomorrow. Oh, there may only be one last chance before the dawn. Oh, where is the need where there is no light? One will turn the other cheek while the other turns his back. If only one is saved out of all that are lost, life is on the line. That price don't match that final cost. One last chance before tomorrow. Just hoping for that one last chance before the setting of the sun. One last chance before tomorrow. Oh, there may only be one last chance before the dawn.
Oh, boy. Oh, oh, boy. Oh. Oh. Jessie Lee Harris.
It's Joe, I got a hold of Roger.
You did?
Yeah, they said they're gonna do it.
They will?
They're stoked, buddy.
All right.
It's gonna be great.
I owe you one, man.
Better be real large.
Yeah, I know, a big one.
Yeah, right.
Hey, you guys. Hey, I got some news for you.
Oh. Guess what?
What? Oh, what in the world, Jesse?
You can tell these horses they can unpack the saddlebags. They ain't going nowhere.
What do you mean?
Well, I just got a call from my manager. I didn't want to tell you in case it didn't happen, but it did.
What happened?
Well, actually, it's what's going to happen tomorrow on the beach. We're having a concert to benefit the horses. And every dime that we make is going to save the horses and this ranch.
I don't know what to say.
Well, I do. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Oh, you're welcome.
Well, this map is outdated, but it looks like the next town is La Quinta. Mitch? What's wrong? Mitch? Oh my God, it's him.
Hang on. What's the matter? Come and play.
Look out!
Come and play, baby. Stay down.
I'll teach you to mind my business. Hey! Come to Papa!
Oh my God!